Hello friends, what's up? First, thanks for coming on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to install DaVinci Resolve 16. I hope you'll install all the 3 files safely from the link given in the description. Just open the folder and extract the first file only because the other files are interlinked with each other. That's why you don't need to extract the other 2 files. Password is subrat.sks. Please note it and type password carefully. Now, again the 2 files are showing, just extract the first file, DaVinci Resolve 16. Another file also plays a very important role after installation of software, so keep in mind don't delete any file as your own. Keep watching the video and follow my procedure. Here we can see the setup file. Now run it as administrator. Now see carefully this box. It shows which component already installs and which are missing in your PC. Just click on all the boxes and install the software. This is recommended for you if you are installing it first time. Note that this is important. The installation takes 10 to 15 minute time to install completely. The speed of installation is totally based on your PC's hardware acceleration, so there may be difference occurred in the time of installation. Now the time is here to use the second file. Important fix. Just copy all 3 files and paste them in the installation directory of software. This program is a lot powerful and feature-rich and is available for both Windows and macOS users. Search here for resolve.sks file to make a shortcut of the file on the desktop. Here we can see it. But you have to delete first icon or shortcut of DaVinci Resolve 16. And paste the copy.exe file on the desktop. Now run software. Oops! Please note that you have to turn off antivirus protection for the first time, or allow it to use. DaVinci Resolve is built for professional video editing, which is why it requires a powerful system to run. DaVinci Resolve includes everything professional editors need to cut blockbuster films, television shows, and commercials. It's perfect for both offline and online editing. The high-performance playback engine makes editing and trimming incredibly fast, even for processor-intensive formats such as H.264 and RAW. Quickly import individual files or entire directory structures with subfolders as bins into your project right from the cut page. DaVinci Resolve 16 is like a dream come true for video editors who need a powerful video editing program to try it for free before making a purchase. The world's only solution that combines professional 8K editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production all in one software tool. You can instantly move between editing, color, effects, and audio with a single click. Let's check its magic. Thanks for watching.